Is your water looking a little off? In Pāhoa and beyond, most tanks develop algae and grime within months. You don't need bleach to fix this. There's a natural alternative to bleach that's much more effective, simple to use, that cleans through natural oxidation. Solutions HOCl Catchment Bomb uses powerful HOCl endorsed by the World Health Organization. Naturally eliminates bacteria, algae odors, and stains. Eco-friendly with no bleach and no harsh chemicals. Just extremely clean water through natural oxidation. Now available across the Pāhoa area at Ace Hardware, Island Naturals, Kaimu Farmers Market, and Kaimu Korner Country Store.